Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rani, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I would like to explain a simple Java program that I wrote and executed on the CodeTantra platform. This program demonstrates the use of constructors and the this keyword in Java. Let's walk through the program. So I began with a class named test which contains two private instance variables I and j. These variables are initialized through constructors. In Java, a constructor is a special method used to initialize objects. It has the same name as the class and does not have a return type. In this program, we define three constructors: a default constructor which initializes both I and j to 0, a parameterized constructor with one argument which sets I to the given value and keeps j as 0, another parameterized constructor with two arguments which sets both I and j to the given values. Inside the constructors, we use the this keyword. This dot I is equal to I, this dot j is equal to j. Here this dot I refers to the instance variable I, while the right side I refers to the constructor parameter. This keyword helps avoid confusion between the parameters and the instance variables when they have the same name. We have also a display method in the test class. This method simply prints the values of I and j. Now let's look at the main class which contains the main method. We use a scanner object to accept input from the user. We create three objects of the test class. Object 1 uses the default constructor, object 2 uses the constructor with one argument, object 3 uses the constructor with two arguments. For object 2 and object 3, we accept values from the user using scanner.nextInt and pass them to the respective constructors. Each time we call the display method to print the values of the object. Finally, we close the scanner object. So this is the program, my friends. To summarize, constructors help initialize objects in different ways that this keyword uses to distinguish between instance variables from parameters. We have also used method overloading by defining multiple constructors. Input is taken from the user using scanner class. The program is executed successfully on the CodeTantra platform. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful to you.